Located in the Golden Horseshoe of Southern Ontario, the Regional Municipality of Halton serves more than 600,000 residents in Burlington, Halton Hills, Milton, and Oakville. The municipality's vision is to enhance the quality of life for all people of Halton today and into the future. The region is committed to preserving a landscape that is rich, diverse, balanced, productive, and sustainable, and a society that is economically strong, equitable, and caring. Aligned with the region's vision and mission, the maintenance team within the treatment plant division has undertaken to implement a reliability-centered maintenance program with the conviction that the approach will enable delivery on Halton Region's vision and mission while also saving money. The program began in 2017 and is still underway and being continuously improved. Implementing a reliability-centered maintenance program involves the systematic process of identifying the core equipment functions that are needed to deliver the intended value, and then organizing the maintenance program methodically to sustain those core functions. The necessary analysis and planning is intensive at the outset, requiring collaboration between all divisional sections that have a stake in water and wastewater service delivery. Like a good symphony, each section plays its part in the context of the whole, with shared long-term objectives, that is, to develop the necessary assurance that assets are ready to deliver required service levels, as well as environmental and safety design standards across the entire life cycle. This effort within the Halton region has been billed as a one-team approach and has the attention of capital, operations, and maintenance divisions. Activities and approaches that could safely extend the useful life of assets have been identified and implemented, with the result that expenditure that would otherwise have been required for the replacement of assets have been confidently delayed or avoided. As part of the program, the One Team collects and refines fundamental asset performance and condition data, which helps to improve the accuracy of the region's long-term capital plan. The team has kept track of results. Their investment of $1.7 million in maintenance has resulted in deferral of more than $13.6 million in new equipment purchases, a result so encouraging that the One Team is likely to stay in place indefinitely.
If you look at asset management and where maintenance operates in an industrial setting, we think of ourselves as tactical lifecycle management team. So utilizing tactical lifecycle strategies to help complement asset management as a whole. It's very hard to be very mature at asset management without maintenance management, because basically you have strategies, but you can't deploy a strategy without maintenance operations working together collaboratively to execute plans. So if you look at the regulation 58817 and you look at the detail around how municipalities are drawing upon how to deploy asset management, if you look at the wording, it's not explicitly mentioned that maintenance management is a prerequisite.
Now that condition and database decision-making and disciplined lifecycle management have been established as part of the culture of collaboration and continuous improvement, additional benefits are sure to be realized as time progresses. What is next for this team? The One Team approach was initiated by the maintenance section and invited participation of the other sections as team members, and it demonstrated that maintenance management is uniquely positioned to deploy tactical lifecycle management plans in support of an organization's overall asset management objectives. All along, the divisional team has been conscious that they are delivering on key asset management objectives held by the organization, contributing to the capacity of the organization to meet and exceed the requirements of the new Ontario asset management regulations.
I'm confident 10 years from now, they're going to view maintenance management program as the enabler of asset management programs. We've lived it for 3 years. And every year, we're progressively getting better. The trend I'm looking for personally is, and as Philip has touched on, the more money we spend on maintenance, up to a certain ceiling, we want to see that graph go up and level off. On the capital side, I expect that curve to come down and level off. When we achieve that goal, we will realize what all politicians want to achieve, and that is spend money wisely and effectively so that the constituents can afford to live where they live.